The Rule Manager has been created so you can have more control over the items you import. To create a rule, simply go to the Settings menu and click on Rule Manager. When you arrive at the page, the rules you set will be listed on the left-hand side. On the right, you can see where you can start to add rules and then subsequently test these rules. Let's start by adding a rule. Click on Add New Rule. For this rule, we'll give it a name of UK to UK and add the description Imported items delivered within the UK to be sent with Collect Plus. Setting the description is a great way to remind yourself of what the rules has been created for. Next, we need to set the conditions. The conditions will tell the Rule Manager what to look for when your items are imported. Firstly, I'm going to click on Add Condition and then choose Country from the first drop-down. In the second form field, we'll need to tell the Rule Manager how precise we want the condition to be. For this rule, we'll choose Is, as we want the Rule Manager to look for one country. Lastly, I'll choose the UK from the Value form field. So far, this rule will look at your imported items and find the ones which are being delivered within the UK. We now need to tell the Rule Manager what to do with this find. Therefore, we need to set the action. The action will tell the Rule Manager what to do with the condition you have set. For the action, we want to set a service. Click on Add Action and from the first drop-down, choose Service. In the second form field, choose a service you would like for the UK deliveries. In this case, we are going to choose Collect Plus. When you have completed the conditions and actions, you will finally notice a checkbox which is automatically selected. This will activate your rule straight away. If you deselect this and click Update, your rule will be saved within the Pause Rules section. Now as we've created this rule, we need to click on Update. Let's add another rule. This time we want to make sure any items imported from the eBay marketplace and has a price value of £30 or more to include parcel protection. Click on Add New Rule. For the rule name, I'll enter £30 eBay items and add the description Add parcel protection to all eBay items with a value of £30 or more. For this rule, we need to set two conditions. For the first condition, we'll choose Marketplace from the first drop-down. Then choose the eBay logo from the list of integrations available. Click on Add another condition. This time, choose Item Value from the first drop-down. In the second form field, you will want to make sure you target the correct value. In this case, we should choose Is more than or equal to. Finally, add the value of £30 to the last form field. Now that we have set these two conditions, let's add the action. For this action, we want to choose Parcel Protection from the first form field and make sure Include is selected from the second. Click on Update. As you can see on the left-hand side, these rules are listed. You can reorder these rules by priority by dragging them up or down. Based on these two rules we have just created, the UK to UK rule is above the £30 eBay items rule. If I reorder these so the £30 eBay items is at the top, any orders I import will firstly apply this rule and then the second rule, as long as the conditions are met. You can edit, delete or pause these rules at any time. Finally, I want to test these rules. Click on Test Rules. The idea of this section is for you to enter an item you send on a regular basis and see which rules would apply. This is a great way to figure out why your rules would be active on some items and maybe not on others.